So make sure like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs for more videos like this. Yeah. So let's see. So what should I do here in ISO? I don't know what should I do, but do nothing. Nothing. Be true. Now he's I think it's perfect for the drums. I think he's famous for the drums, trust me. So make sure like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs to become my daddy to become a drummer. Very true. Excuse me. Yeah, this is so fun. So make sure like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs to become my daddy into a drummer. Yes. He's perfect for drumming, trust me. So where are you going? Not again. I'm gonna follow my mom so it will, you know, let's go goodbye. Let's go. So is our plan. Let's see what she is doing. Hello, what are you doing? Ooh, okay lang. You okay? Okay, let's now, where are we going?
Oh.
Okay, now let's go home. Let's go. Let's go home. Yung shoes, slippery yung shoes ko sa training.
Shoes?
Oh, slippery. Oh, na-try ko yung Coca-Cola, yung na ganyan. Wala pa, slippery pa.
Ay, ako sa shoes ba?
Before, yesterday na-slip ako while, kasi yung shoes ko, na-slip ko. While doing, anong shoes na ako? What you're gonna buy now? As he told me. Hangin. Okay. Ano ba yan?
Ha?
May kasoy?
Ikaw, gusto mo? Oo. Ano? Nabili ka na.
Let's do this. Wow. Cute dog, by the way. Cute dog, by the way. You told my baby to move. I am the moon. I'm dance, I'm float, I'm around. She said I am the moon. I'm dance, I'm the And anyway, so make sure like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs for more videos like this. All around, I dance, I float, around. She told my baby that's what's in my gut. I am the I'm dance, I float, around. Let's go now. Let's go, Daddy.
Hindi ba?
You're too busy.
Hindi ka bibili?
Hindi na.
Anong turo niya?
I don't like it.
Yay, he saved his money. Yep, right? Yep, he is happy. He is so happy. For not billing the, your wanted. I need new shoes. Training. Where's the training ko?
Hindi mo ikaw si Daddy.
One, na broken yung orange shoes ko.
Ano ba kung may orange shoes ko?
Yes, it's broken. Number two, my shoes are
Hindi
slippery.
mo meron dito. Yung shoes niya pang badminton daw. Shoes niya pang badminton.
Shoes na pag badminton?
Slippery? Natumba ko.
Ano yung shoes na pag badminton? Yung ano? Yung ma-rubberize?
Oo.
Wala ba siya?
Wala po.
Slippery ako. Slippery
Di
ako.
ba ang dami mong sapatos doon? May sapatos pa siya doon. Subukan nyo muna yun. Kasi yung binili mong sapatos, hindi na gamit doon. Hindi na...
Lahat, ginamit na lahat na open na yata lahat yun.
Hindi pa?
Wala nang nasa box.
Wala na ba?
Wala na, open na yun yung lahuli at saka yung ano. At saka yung green.
Slippery ba yan? Nasubukan mo na ba yan? Nasubukan mo na ba yung pinang ano?
Hindi.
Subukan mo muna.
Pinang-ano niya kasi yun eh.
Subukan mo
Tara
muna
na.
yan kung pwede siyang makakapit. Kung hindi makakapit yung pathway.
O sige.
Adidas
Hindi
yan
yan
mo.
pwede, hindi naman yan pang anuhan.
Ano yung sabihin mo?
Ginagamit lang namin pang simbayan. Hindi namin ginagamit pang at saka pang alis. Ginagamit din lang pang pag-rentos. Iba kasi yung sa ano. Han, kung ano yung titingin sa badminton, bisiranin. Ano yung nila yung pang simbayan?
Natumba ako. Naslip ako.
Bakit
And
yung kulay green,
anyways,
di pwede
so
yun?
make sure like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs for more videos like this. So now we're going home. So let's go home. So we just enjoy Toy Story 5. Yeah, it's very satisfying. Satisfactory. Ay, satisfactory. Wow, it's vibing me, bro. It's vibing me, bro. What is this song, by the way? Can you search it for me? Whoever is a detective here, I identify this song. And also, that song, yeah, it's making me vibes. And anyways, Mr. Detective from YouTube, can you detect that song? Yeah.
Ayun, ayun, lumabas na siya. Yun lang.
Ha?
Lumabas na, yun lang.
Mali lang ka. Ano ko to?
Let's go home. Come on.
Bakit?
Talaga yan.
Guys, we're now in the car, so it's going home now. Andito pa. Oh, you guys look at me.
Yun lang ha.
Ah, go out, go out, go out.
Got mo na, Dave?
No, it's still there.
Ay, no. Sige na, ay, papalo. Ano mo kasi? Hindi. Andyan pa?
Wala pa. Let's go. And anyways, now, so it's just, now let's go home, shall we? So look at this. What's Daddy doing? What's he doing?
Putting something doon sa ano. Parang yung bag mo. Akita nga yung bag mo.
Okay. And anyways, we enjoy about the Toy Story. About a iPod named Lilipad. Yeah. So make sure to like and subscribe. And also the main character is Jesse. I thought it was Woody. But unfortunately, he left and then going to their original one later. I thought he was going to be forever here and later.
Hindi, nag-ano lang siya ng help.
Yeah, he got help and later he got
I'm left.
and he left. Yeah. So my expected is he's going to be forever there, and unfortunately, he's not. And also, if he's gone, who is the voice actor of Toy Story 6 from the next 10 years? Yeah, 10 years, 2019. So let's see the year. So first thing first, 7 years about Toy Story 4. I think it's gonna be like next 7 years of Toy Story 6, and we're going to, and I think we are the first one. Yeah, because when you see, I think we're the first one to watch the Toy Story 5 because there's so many people to watch. Because when you see it released,
Ano tayo, habon.
yeah, and luckily we make it in time, so we
Yeah,
enjoy
like
the movie.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Thank
and
you.
also,
Here you go.
thank you, and also we have it's not a villain about the lily pad, it's becoming a villain into friendly now. So make sure like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs if you watch Toy Story 5 in USA. Or you just watched it in what's that again? Wait, hold up, I'm remembering something. Wait, hold up. Wait, let me guess. Then I forgot. Too bad. Maybe what? Forget that. I don't know. I forgot that one from the when the movie comes, they will doing it the
DJ, ako na mata.
yeah yes free C2. That's a jackpot. And also guys, we just enjoy Toy Story 5 and it's very good. Yeah, very good.
Bakit ang ano?
Good story, and Woody is still there with his young voice. I don't know how he lived there, but he's the legend. And also guys, Toy Story 5 is very good, 10 out of 10, excellent. And because since the movie has been released yesterday, I think we're the first in the Robinsons who ever watched Toy Story 5 in Robinsons, right?
Pa ngayon.
Anyway, so we're now going on, and later hopefully we can make it.
Buti na talaga sa tayo.
And tomorrow we're going to play PTS, and then also we're making a 3D movie now. Like for example, like in DJ Films, we're going to make a 3D movies. For example, like a game. Yeah, we're going to make a voice acting. It's only me, so it would be like really sticker, but it's gonna be animated, so it will be updated. So I'll just update it guys from the DJ Films. So we'll talk this out, and also the Let's Girls in the Forest. Well, I don't know what should I do. Maybe delayed until 2027 because I have school, so that's why. So bad we have school. Maybe after we done about the vacations. Yeah, so it's gonna be take a long time, or we have to cancel it since we become 3D. But we cannot do that. It's the legendary first film in the world. We have to make it a remake. So we're making my movie in the Last Cross La Forbes, and wow, a 3D movies are just the new movies, and also let's make a sneak peek. Yeah, a pilot named. I'm not gonna tell it, bro. It's called a sneak peek. I'll just tell you from the sneak peek. So